up, my halal peeps? I am Chef Hisham with Halal Amigos and partnered with Halal Fest. We are introducing to you Suhoor Fest 2023 right here at the Santa Clara MCA next door on April 8th from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. We got 6 amazing food vendors for you. We got the best Kashmiri chai you can find, Chai Mai Cart, right here. We also got Bhaiya's Grill, himself live in the flesh, making you his specialty brisket. We got Halal Bites, making you amazing Philly cheesesteaks. We got Golden Gate Gyro, making their great gyros. We got Bay Area Munchiez, making fabulous burgers. And we, of course, we got Halal Amigos. Once a year, I am making my breakfast burritos with halal beef bacon. Come on out here, 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. right after Tarawih. Come out here, have some good food, and then go back for Fajr, right here next door to the MCA. For more information, follow at Halal Fest or go to halalfest.com. We hope to see you here, inshallah. We're super excited. April 8th, we'll see you. Orale Habibi.